ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delayed Sahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Message of congratulations. National celebrates Independence Day anniversary. Tornadoes and storms leave 19 dead across 4 states in the U.S. And fire in Indian Children's Hospital kill 6 newborns. On our local news, heads of states and government from Uganda, Philippines, Georgia, France, Swiss Confederation, Democratic People's Republic of Korea, as well as Organization of African, Caribbean and Pacific States have extended their congratulations to the people and the government of Eritrea on the occasion of 33rd Independence Day anniversary. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni of the Republic of Uganda, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. of Philippines, President Salome Zurabachvili of Georgia, President Emmanuel Macron of the French Republic, President Viola Amherd of Swiss Federation, President Kim Jong-un of Democratic People's Republic of Korea, as well as Mr. George Rebelo Pinto Chikoti of the Organization of African, Caribbean and Pacific States expressed their well-wish for good health to President Isaias Afwerki, as well as peace and prosperity for the Eritrean people. They also convened their country's readiness to enhance strong ties and mutual cooperation with Eritrea. In his message, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni noted that his country and Eritrea are working together to advance common goals and look forward to further opportunities for cooperation, and expressed his optimism that the traditionally close relations will continue to grow and strengthen in the years ahead. Nationals in the UK, US, Egypt have enthusiastically celebrated the 33rd Independence Day anniversary under the theme Peace Anchored on Resilience. Nationals in the UK cities of London, Birmingham, Manchester, Newcastle, Coventry, Nottingham, Leicester City, Cardiff, Middlesbrough, Liverpool, and Leeds enthusiastically celebrated the Independence Day anniversary, featuring various cultural and artistic programs. The Independence Day anniversary that commenced in London with Airy Flag Wave program was attended by a number of nationals in UK officials, members of the diplomatic community, friends of Eritrea, and a number of nationals. Mr. Ahmed Mohammed Mahmoud, chairman of the Holidays Coordinating Committee, commended those who contributed to the colorful celebratory event and appreciated the strong discipline demonstrated by the nationals. Mr. Saleh Abdullah, chargé d'affaires of the Eritrean Embassy, highlighted the uniqueness of the occasion in terms of a new stage emerging and called for reinforced participation in the national's affairs. Mr. Peter Ford, former UK ambassador to Bahrain and Syria, remarked on the strong honor of the Eritrean people have towards their independence, attributing it to heavy sacrifice made, and wishes peace and stability and development for the Eritrean people, government of Eritrea. Similarly, nationals in the U.S. cities, including Denver, Las Vegas, and Cincinnati, colorfully celebrated the anniversary, the program that depicted a deep meaning in the day to the Eritrean people. The event were all attended by nationals and invited guests. The Eritrean community in Cairo, Egypt also celebrated the 33rd Independence Day anniversary with patriotic zeal. The event was highlighted by performances from the Red Sea Cultural Troupe and other cultural artistic programs. Mr. Habib Mohammed Osman, chargé d'affaires at the Eritrean Embassy, noted that the people in Eritrea have embarked on a promising new stage by repelling and foiling successive external hostiles and open aggression. He also called for strengthening organizational capacity and participation in the national affairs. Diaspora nationals contributed over $100,000 and about 5,000 euros towards augmenting the National Trust Fund. According to the Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare, nationals residing in Israel contributed $82,752 towards the National Trust Fund and $25,200 in support of families of martyrs. Similarly, nationals in the Netherlands, Canada, the US, Israel, Germany, and Australia organized, and the Ream Association contributed $4,955 in support of families of martyrs. The viewers will be back with the international news shortly. Do stay tuned. Welcome back. At least 19 people were killed as a tornado and storm tore across 4 U.S. states, destroying homes and cutting power to hundreds of thousands. 7 people were killed in northern Texas, 8 in Arkansas, 2 in Oklahoma, and 2 in Kentucky. Scores more than injured in winds reached 135 meters per hour, and almost 500,000 were without electricity across several states on Sunday. Texas Governor Greg Abbott said more than a third of all countries in his state were now subject to disaster declaration. Footage from the country showed a patrol station and rest stop almost completely destroyed, with twisted metal littered over damaged vehicles. Lightning and thunder and heavy rain meanwhile forced the evacuation around 125,000 spectators as Sunday's Indian Spoil 500 race was delayed by 4 hours. On our last news, at least 6 newborn babies died in a fire at a children's hospital in Indian capital of New Delhi on Saturday, local officials said. 12 newborns were rescued from the hospital, but 6 died in a fire, Atul Garg, Delhi Fire Service chief, told CNN. One of the rescued babies is in a serious condition, and the 5 others are receiving medical attention, Garg said. The rescued babies have not been identified as authorities have yet to find their birth records, Garg said. It is unclear whether the birth records have been destroyed in a fire. The Delhi Fire Service said it received a call at 11:32 p.m. local time, and 9 fire trucks were rushed to the site. Rescue operations remain underway, Garg said, adding that the fire started in a neighboring building, but exact cause of the fire is yet to be determined. Video footage from the fire service showed flames immersing ground and upper floors of the hospital. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Message of congratulations. National celebrates Independence Day anniversary. Tornadoes and storms leave 19 dead across 4 U.S. states. Fire Indian Children Hospital kills 6 newborns. That is all our local and international news. Dear viewers, thanks for watching and have a good night.